This sessions we're going to see that grade 7's first lessons Apna Desh Magan, our country is great. Why we so called that our country is great? What is the terms as or what is the qualities we should be proud to be Indians? The poet also lists some reasons to be proud of Indians. So let's listen these poems and be proud of Indians. फूलों से भी बनते हैं गुलदस्ते हिम्मत वाले चलते हंसते अपना देश मगन. The flowers, the bouquets are made up of flowers and some of the thorns also be. Like that, we are fearless, brave, and we walk on laughing. Our country is great. So what the poet is trying to say, this is a big, beautiful comparisons. He says the bouquet. The bouquet is made up of both beautiful flowers and then some sharp thorns. This is a say that shows that the nation is mixture of good and bad times, joy and sorrows, success and challenges. Even with these difficulties, the thorns, the peoples of the countries are described as a matwale, fearless, and the himmatwale, brave persons. They face all challenges with a smiling and positive attitudes. Chalte haste, positive attitudes. The stanzas are proud declarations. Our country is great. It is a tone of resilience and unwavering patriotism. So now come to that next stanzas. हिमकी बेटी नदियां धोती अपनी मांग का आंचल प्यास बुझाते सागर जन्मे श्याम सलाने बादल बासंती मलयज के झोंके घाटी के तूफान अपना देश मकान ले. So the river is a daughter of snows. Why? That means Ganga, the holy river Ganga is the daughter of snows, was their mother's Anjal. Anjal means at the border of the saris. Pyas bujate sagar janme sham salone badals. There they quench our thirst. The clouds quench our thrust on the from the oceans on the bones dark and beautiful clouds. The beautiful clouds quench our thirst and its form from the oceans are dark, burn dark. That means give the rainies. The guts of springs, the Maljai ke झोंके घाटी के तूफान अपना देश मकान ले. The spring wind became a storm in valleys. घाटी के तूफान, घाटी means valley, तूफान means a storm, तूफान means a storm. So the poet, this stanza, through these stanzas is a imagery of the natures. The poet says that rivers are the daughter of the snows. It is a beautiful way to describe the origin of the Himalayan mountains. The river was their mother's angels. That means that the fertile plains of the Indias being nourished by their rivers. The river quench our thirst, and then their waters evaporate to form a clouds. Sham salane badals, it's converted, it's form a dark clouds over the oceans, which in turn bring the rain back to the lands. It is that is cycle of water cycles. It is it. So the water cycles. So the poet also considered the gentle spring breeze. Basanti Malyaj ke झोंके, with the furious storms in the valleys, that a gentle spring breeze with the furious storm in the valleys, showing that the country has the both sceneries and the challenging aspects. Through all this natural beauty and power, the poet says our country is great. So the natural scenarios, our country is great. So now come to that third stanza. संदन जैसा बाई चरा फूलों जैसा मन मेहनत से दबकर बनता है कंचन अपना देश मकान. He says in the third stanzas, our brotherhoods, we live together as a brotherhood. These are like a sandalwood. Sandan means a sandalwood, and our hearts are like a flowers. And our bodies through the hard work our bodies become a became a pure and strong, valuables like a gold. So our country is a great. In this final stanza, the poet say the qualities of the peoples in Indians. The poet compared the scenes of the brotherhood and the unity among the peoples. Sandan sandalwood, which is known for the fragrant and cooling properties. He suggests that the bond between the peoples is pure and so pure. The hearts of the peoples are said that be like a flower, soft, beautiful, and full of love and fragrance. The poet also emphasizes that the importance of the hard work and dedications. Meganath said that curse. He said that hard work and the dedication through the hard work, our bodies and the characters become the kanchan, pure gold. Kanchan means gold. This comparison for a strong and resilient and self-resilient persons. The poem concludes with the same powerful friends, leaving the reader with a feeling of pride and respect for the nations and its peoples. The poet is Sandardat